The e-learning center at Prince Sultan University present this tutorial on editing questions and grades after students attempt the assessment. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the simple process of editing assessment questions and regarding the assessment after students have attempted it. This allows you to make corrections or adjustments to questions and update the grades automatically. Step 1. Accessing the question page. To start, click on the assessment you want to edit. From the top menu, select Questions. On the question page, you will find a list of all your questions. Step 2. Editing a question. Next to Edit Questions, navigate to the question you wish to edit. Then, click on the Configure Question icon to access the question settings. Here you can make the necessary changes to the question. Once you are done editing, click Save Changes to apply the modifications. Step 3. Regrading the assessment. After editing the questions, you will be directed to the question page. Moodle allows you to regrade the results of the assessments after the modifications are applied. To do so, click on Attempts to access the Attempts page. Then, scroll down to view the list of student attempts. If you wish to regrade the assessment for all students, click on Regrade All. Note: Moodle also provides an option to preview the changes without updating the grades. This can be done by clicking on Dry Run Regrades. If you wish to regrade a specific student's attempt, tick the checkbox in front of the student's name. You can select multiple students if needed. Scroll down to the end of the list and click on Regrade selected attempts to update the grades accordingly. Please like and subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to get new video updates. Thank you for watching. Please don't hesitate to contact us for further support.